I'm trying to do one thing a day to get my life in order, and today we're tackling the fridge. This is how we stored our bacon for the past year, and I really love it. You don't get your hands all grimy, and it comes with these tongs. I'm actually going to store my tomatoes at room temperature. I've been meaning to go to HomeGoods because I want to find a cute bowl to store my produce that's left out. We eat cucumbers every day, so I'm going to cut some up so that it's just easy for us to grab. These bad boys are all expired, so I'm getting rid of them. I have all of my cheeses organized in this bin, and I want to find another bin for all of my deli meats to go right next to the cheeses. Honeycrisp apples are the only apples you will ever find in our home. They are superior. We're trying out a meal service. I got 3 meals this week. We went with Home Chef. We're trying to eat out less. We're not huge fans of cooking, but this seems simple enough. I just tried this new flavor of Prime, and it's so good. It tastes like a cherry slushie, so I'm stocking the fridge with them. Okay, I'm finally done. It feels so fresh and organized. So happy to have this done for the new year. Starting off on the right foot. Remember, we're a small family of 3, so this is what functions best for us, but I hope this inspired you to go tackle yours.